This was still actually we have a stopover in this area that is going to Antique from Iloilo. That was just last year of 2024. But in this video, I would like to talk about this. The topic is product by a Team Supreme Pegasus Hasim from Indonesia. He said, we must be positive during trainings. Be open to understand. Do not be biased. Use your heart. Be detailed. Be hardworking and take down notes. So, product is very important topic. If a business will succeed, it will only depend on the quality of product. Factors that may affect it: composition or the formulation of the product, efficacy and potency of the product, high value, and if it is marketable. So our product, Pure Cheer, the health product, is high price. Same also with our consensus set that is mist and spray for men and women. Both health and beauty products of Reway International stand out in the market because the ingredients plus the technology used in these products are very very expensive, that I can proudly say that only Reway International can afford even the ingredients of these products, because company Reway International, we have our own plantation, property, land, vast land in New Zealand to grow the ingredients. Okay, let's proceed. In the past, according to Hasim, 16 years, we have done exceptionally well. A lot of distributors challenge the decisions and pricing of Pure Cheer indirect selling. It followed a standard pricing with very minimal 10% increase despite the formulation and the technology used. So it's only a very minimal increase, but right now in our seventh edition is 10 times effect compared to the sixth edition, and it has only a very minimal increase. Now for 16 years we have had recognitions quarter over quarter. So here in Reway, you become healthy. Okay, if attract you first is the product for you to recover for your health, or for reversing aging, if that is what you want. And then that is actually your key. The product is your key to open the window for a very wonderful opportunity in Reway. Once you started to do Reway business, you can earn Singapore dollar. And of course, there is ranking position that the company recognize as, it could be by region, it could be by country, quarter, every quarter. Can you imagine how much money the company spend for this event alone? Okay, for this event alone, other than the other events. So every quarter, the company recognize the effort of the successful leaders in the 3 months. Okay, so Diamond 1 star gets a commission of 100,000 pesos to 200,000 pesos. It depends how many accounts do you have, how many lines you already build, or if you just started in Reway, and that is equivalent to 2,000 US dollar at least. And since it is in daily payout, okay, you can even achieve this in just 2 days. So how to do that? Okay, you can watch some of my videos, listen to my voiceover and explanation. This kind of income is general is already a general level, especially here in the Philippines. So but in Reway, recognition rose and rose and row of 1 star are being recognized on stage. If you can watch or browse Reway magazine, you can see that that's quarter every quarter. So therefore, the total income of Reway is very big, and it is in Singapore dollars. So there are many differences in the awards who goes up the stage of different countries and culture. They travel, okay, far and wide night just to attend the recognition night. The company prepare a huge stage. If you watch the videos in YouTube, in a Reway official website, in Facebook, you can see huge stage. Can you imagine the sounds, the music, the lights? They prepare this month after, like maybe a month, and they rented the place for how many days just to recognize the effort of the successful leaders in this quarter. So that is every quarter. So you see, you got all the things that you will be needed, not only to recover your health and earn money, you will be recognized on a huge stage of Reway International. This is it.